Snail farming is taking Africa by storm. Delicious and packed with protein, these slimy critters are a healthy snack all over southern Nigeria. And because they feed only on vegetation, they're cheap and easy to raise. But since it's Christmas time, snails are sold out all over the city, so we have to get them the old-fashioned way, by hunting. Hey. The animals usually come out at night and can be found climbing up walls. It didn't take long to find them.
Look at that snail. Oh, there's another one here. There's another one. Woo! This one is big. It's big. Two of them. Woo! There we go.
West African snails are the largest in the world and have become increasingly popular as pets in the United States. But we aren't looking for companions right now, we are looking for food.
Uh-oh. There's another one here. Oh. We got 5. That should be enough.
The next morning, we begin the process of cooking the snails. First, the cook cracks open the shell with a rock. As you probably know, snails are slimy. She cleans them with salt, which sticks to the slime and makes it come off. Next, she uses gari, a coarse grain made from cassava plants, to remove the rest of the slime from the meat.
What is this? Gary? The one that we use for cooking.
Finally, she rinses them off with water and splits them with a knife to make cooking easier. we go inside. Although the snails are already cleaned, she washes them a few more times. That's very understandable. It is a snail after all. Next, she puts them in a cooking pot with onions and Maggi seasoning cubes. They are boiled in water for an hour to tenderize the meat and let the flavors soak in. After the water reduces down, the snails are fried in oil. When you mix water and oil, it tends to splash. But it's worth it. This preparation makes the snails crispy on the outside while tender on the inside. Finally, the snails are garnished with a tomato-based sauce and cabbage. In Akwa Ibom, snails are popular as drinking food at bars and clubs. They're also given to children. Think of it as a delicious pacifier.
No, don't place yourself on this so that it will not break. Don't lean on it.
So how does it taste?
African meats. Very, very good meats. Snail is very sweet.
So this is snail. Yes.
So let me just taste.
Let me taste it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's very delicious.
Very nice.
Deliciously rich and nutty. Definitely one of the best things I've tasted in Nigeria.
Very delicious. You can feel the taste of it.
How do you like
It's
it?
very, very delicious. Very African style.
And I can't wait to try it again. The cook did a great job with this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Let's try and get 10,000 subscribers by the end of the month.